Hey, welcome back to MarineMax. My name is Leo Johnson, and I have a new exciting arrival to show you here today at our Lake Norman location. It's a 2025 Sea Ray SDX 270. This is one of our first 2025 stern drive boats. This model was completely redesigned for last year. Let's hop aboard and check out some of the interior features. Welcome aboard this SDX 270. You'll see we've opted for the stone interior color on this particular boat. It's also got the sea deck in the matching gray. It's really comfortable on your feet, and it's a good looking boat as well. Over here on the stern, we've got a couple great features. One, you're gonna have a great battery storage location here. You got your battery switching, controls for your tower. Also got access to your hose for your water system, which you can pull out right up here. This boat also has the upgraded audio package. You're gonna have a Fusion remote back here for your audio, just above your cup holders. You've also got several USB ports throughout the back side of the boat. Coming further in, here under your walkthrough, you've got some nice storage here that is insulated. Can be used as a cooler or to keep some wet items. You've got a block-off door here, keep your kids and pets in the boat when you're underway. You've also got this really expansive sun pad back here. This section right here does flip down flat to open that up even more. Follow me even deeper into the boat here. You're gonna see there's a lot of entertainment space in this boat. We've got plenty of seating for several friends. We've got a table that can go right here as well as one that goes up at the bow. One of the hallmark features of this boat is you've got flip-flop seating on both port and starboard. You can expand that entertainment zone, and when you're ready to head underway, on both sides, you can slide it all the way to the forward position and do that. Here at the helm, you've got a double wide helm chair with that flip-flop configuration like I mentioned. You've also got a bolster that comes up. It's a very commanding place to be on the boat. Can see very well from here. Steering wheel is on a tilt base, so you can customize it to your liking. This boat's gonna have digital throttle and shift from Mercury, paired up with your V8 6.2 liter out back. Also equip this boat with the wireless phone charger down here. Got access to your key, some other chargers, and then your Lenco trim tabs here on the starboard side. You'll see here we've got twin Simrad NSX screens. These are the latest and greatest from Simrad, and they're an awesome companion for this boat. We've also got plenty of manual switching here for things like your running lights, your nav lights, your horn, and all that kind of stuff. New for the new generation 270 SDX, they've shifted the walkthrough from a center to a slightly offset walkthrough. What that allows for is a lot more room down here in your head compartment. We've got a sink in here, as well as some cushions. You can kind of put some kids down here. We've got a pump out head, and you'll see we've got the bow filler cushion stored in there right now. Closes up really nice unique setup there. And then here on the port side, you're also gonna have a flip up bolster for your passengers. Got non-skid material to put your phone, keys, things like that. You've got plenty of cup holders, and then your main audio head unit right here could be controlled at the helm as well, but this is your main stereo head unit. Got a small glove box right here. You can store some other items. And then some great storage under this console can be accessed right here. You'll see this is the dedicated space for your two tables. You've also got your navigation light that goes in here as well. Coming up forward, you got a nice big piece of glass here, folds over. It kind of can enclose you in on the back section of the boat. Pair that up with your block-off door, and it allows you to extend your season that much longer. Follow me up here to the very front of the boat. There's gonna be a ton of space up here. Like I mentioned before, there is a table that can insert in here, or you can put the filler in. Also got some more storage right under the floor here. It's really deep, good spot for your fenders, dock lines, things like that. Also got storage under all of these seats here. Up at the very front of the boat, this boat is unique in that it has both a windlass anchor and a bow ladder. Open this hatch up, you can see your controls for both. Bow ladder comes out super easily. It's a nice mechanism, and you've got your windlass anchor right here that can be secured with the pin. It can be controlled from up here at the bow, or it can be controlled from the helm. We've also got a wash down up here to wash down either yourself or your anchor coming in from the bow. We're really excited to have this boat in inventory. If you want to come check it out, stop by our showroom, check us out at MarineMax.com, or give us a call and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.